British Mandate and the Balfour Declaration. World War I changed the political landscape. The British defeated the Ottoman Empire and took control of Palestine. In 1917, the Balfour Declaration was issued, in which Britain stated its support for a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine. While celebrated by Zionists, this declaration came at the expense of Palestinians. Britain did not consult the local population, effectively promising land that had been cultivated and lived on for generations. The declaration provided Zionists with international legitimacy, encouraging more settlers to arrive and more land to be acquired. During the 1920s, Jewish immigration increased significantly, and settlements expanded. Palestinian communities resisted, but the political and military support behind Zionist settlements created an imbalance of power. This period marked the beginning of organized land acquisition, backed by international forces, which would accelerate the displacement of Palestinians. Major immigration waves and rising tensions. The decades following the British Mandate saw even larger waves of Jewish immigration. The Third Aliyah, 1919 to 1923, brought around 40,000 immigrants, many inspired by the Balfour Declaration and fleeing post-World War I instability. The Fourth Aliyah, 1924 to 1928, added approximately 80,000 Jews, mostly from Poland and Hungary, escaping economic hardship and anti-Semitism. The Fifth Aliyah, 1929 to 1939, was the largest, with roughly 250,000 Jews arriving, many fleeing Nazi Germany. These waves created rapid demographic and political shifts. Settlements expanded, land ownership changed, and the Palestinian population began to experience widespread displacement and growing tensions. Villages were depopulated, farmland was bought or seized, and Palestinian families faced economic, social, and cultural disruption. This is the period when the organized Zionist presence transitioned from immigration to settlement and state building, laying the foundation for what would become Israel.